camera
No,
here?
you're not.
What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger video. Today's video is going to be a story time. Also a game. Put a finger down if you've ever been kicked out of a Tommy Hilfiger store. Just kidding. I wasn't quite kicked out of the store, but I was asked to stop filming in a very rude way. And it was awkward AF. So,
yeah, I didn't vlog.
By the way, guys, I was actually planning on doing a shop with me style video at a Tommy Hilfiger in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. This is located at the casino in the mall section, and it's outside the casino, so that's not anything to do with why I was asked to stop filming, but simply, yeah, I walked in the store, Tommy head to toe, and a very rude woman just asked me to stop filming and then harassed me as I shopped. So today I'm going to share with you my experience. I want to address this because on my dedicated Tommy Hilfiger page on Instagram, the House of Hilfiger, if you're not following that, please follow. I kind of went on a rant on my story, and I feel like I owe it to you guys to like talk more in depth about my experience. So we're going to talk about that today. I'm also going to be unboxing something here. This is something from the Gigi Hadid x Tommy Hilfiger collaboration from back in 2018, and I've wanted this for such a long time, and finally it's mine. So I'm excited to unbox this together, get a first impression, also a little story time. This is just simply a hangout sesh. So grab yourself a snack, perhaps a monster, and keep on watching. This is gonna be a video, guys. This is gonna be a video that's completely outside my comfort zone, because normally I come on here just to like hang out and unbox stuff and just give my opinion, my thoughts, but I'm doing that based on a actual experience today.
Yeah.
I don't ever do that. So I don't want you to classify this video as me complaining or me wanting something or me just being a Karen, must I say, a Karen. I'm not any of that. This experience was basically at a Tommy Hilfiger store in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, like I was saying, and I went there with the whole intention to vlog. I was wearing a sustainable Tommy Hilfiger shirt, a beautiful one that I never wore before, and I actually was like convincing myself not to wear it because I kind of want to put it away in the Tommy Hilfiger vault and just have it there on display one day down years yonder. Is that the saying, yonder? I don't know. Anyway, I wanted to never wear it, but I wore it for that occasion. So this Tommy Hilfiger is located at the Sands Casino that was restored from an old steel factory. And I wanted to bring like the beauty and awareness to sustainability within that vlog because they turned a steel factory that was deteriorating and just like a complete eyesore into a resort, a casino, and also a mall. So I wanted to tie the whole Tommy Hilfiger sustainability movement along with that, and I thought it was just a beautiful idea. So me and Gustavo, my partner, get there and we're just totally excited. I never was at this Tommy Hilfiger, so I was amped the house, and I'm vlogging, taking videos of the architecture and just, you know, fun stuff that I feel like was great to share in the video. And I'm walking into the store literally with my phone, because I vlog on my iPhone 12 Max, and vlogging for me, let me just say, I definitely got way better with it than I used to be like years ago, but it's still a very uncomfortable and awkward situation because, you know, you don't want to invade people's privacy, and you also don't want to come off like, I don't know, weird or self-absorbed, like you're taking a picture of yourself. It's just something that you have to be confident doing. And the second your confidence is tripped, or my confidence is tripped in that occasion, I just shut right down. So I'm walking into the Tommy Hilfiger, so happy. Tommy Hilfiger head to toe, including my face mask, my shoes, my pants, my shirts, and my partner is even wearing Tommy Hilfiger. So like we're just, you know, it's a vibe. We're on an excursion at Tommy Hilfiger. So we get in there, and the woman that's right in the front just looks at me, shows,
"You're not filming, are you?"
And it was so clear that I was filming. Like I had my phone like this, smile on my face, looking around like stars in the eyes, and she's like,
"You can't film in here.
You're not allowed to film in here." She was just very aggressive with addressing and communicating it to me. And I was like, "Are you really? I filmed at many other Tommy Hilfigers before. Like, is this new?" And I wasn't trying to rebuttal or argue or anything, but clearly on this channel, as you can see, I've vlogged at many other Tommy Hilfigers. And there are even employees at other stores that have Instagram accounts broadcasting products that they have. I actually worked with one, well not worked, but I collaborated with one in Russia that wanted me to shout out their store, and they have like all their things from their boutique on their Instagram page promoting their products, and plenty of other Tommy Hilfiger stores do that. So when this woman approached me to not film, well, I was absolutely shook. And it wasn't even just being told not to film. She was just so rude. There were tons of customers around everywhere. And this associate, which was not even a manager, she wanted to be heard, and she clearly wanted to embarrass me. I've never had that happen to me in retail ever, except for one store, which was a Saks off 5th, which you're completely not allowed to film or take photos in there. This woman at Tommy told me that I could take photos, but not video. I don't know how that makes sense, because either way, you're kind of like, you know, compromising the store and their items sold there or whatever they're trying to hide. She did say that she didn't want me to film for the sake of protecting the employees, which no matter what the case is, bottom line, I respect, you know, what their requirements are and what the guidelines are for the store. That's most important. I want to make sure I completely respect whatever store's policies are, but it was just addressed so rude. And that employee, I've definitely seen her at other Tommy Hilfigers before, and she's seen me filming at other Tommys as well. So I don't know why this time she decided to embarrass me and kind of like scold me in front of other, you know, customers and people. And it was just, oh my God, it was a nightmare, to be honest. So that happens right in the beginning. I'm shook at that point. I'm like, we drove an hour and a half to come here. Do I continue shopping or do I just leave and cry? Kidding, I would never cry. But I was upset, so I sucked it up. I still felt very like embarrassed. I was flushed in the face. My shirt was pink, my face was pink, and I was shooketh. So I continued shopping. My partner's like, just enjoy your time. So we're walking around. A minute later, the lady comes up to me again and says,
"Can I help you find anything?"
Not even like 5 minutes down the road or anything. It was like she knew what she was doing, and she wanted to make it clear that she didn't want me in her store. And it was just extremely uncomfortable. And I, as a vlogger, I've never experienced anything like that ever. You know, I've vlogged many places, and it's really sad that my favorite store, this type of experience happened there. The whole point of this video is pretty much just for me to vent and share with you guys an experience that I had at my favorite store. And I want to make sure that I share this type of vulnerability, because when I was first getting into YouTube and creating content, I seen other people out there on the platform that, you know, shared their personal experience out and about, and just the whole vulnerable aspect of filming outside your comfort zone and doing things outside your comfort zone. And this was something that, I mean, years ago, I feel like if this happened to me, I would never want to film anywhere outside my house again. But of course, you know, clearly I'm sucking it up and I'm gonna deal with it. Enough of that story time, guys. Obviously, it was just a very awkward and uncomfortable and just horrible experience. So I felt like I needed to address that after sharing it that day on my Instagram page, House of Hilfigers. So this is just basically recap and me explaining why I went on that venting spree on my story. So yeah, that's that. So let's get to opening up this Gigi Hadid x Tommy Hilfiger product here. I'm super excited, and this is something that I feel like I can get a lot of use out of. Now, let me say, I've been looking for this hat online for a very long time, and it's always super expensive. Somebody posted this on eBay from, I think it was eBay. Honestly don't remember where this is from. I think eBay, but it's from Ireland. This is imported from Ireland. So somebody graciously posted this for a fairly decent price, something that I was able to negotiate with. And yeah, now it's here. So top of the morning to you, seller. I appreciate it. And let's get this open. This is packaged extreme, which of course I appreciate given the times that we live in. We got it. Oh my God. Okay, so we have an ASOS bag. Okay. There we go. Oh my God. GH, star right in the middle. And the back says Gigi Hadid. Of course, there we have the tag. Tommy Hilfiger right there. And this is one size. So to be honest, I'm not sure if this was listed as a men's or women's hat. Probably a women's, because I don't think that Gigi did anything for the men's line. Not that I've seen. If there is, I don't know how I missed it. But black, guys, this is a black moment. The script is beautiful. I feel like the whole vibe that Gigi went with back in 2018 for her collection was just iconic. It was very like edgy and urban, and I don't know, I loved. So let's see if this fits. I'm hoping. Oh, new favorite hat. This is my new favorite hat. Are you kidding me? This is beautiful. I don't ever want to take this off. Gigi Hadid, obviously, I appreciate her. We have the Gigi Hadid Barbie up there featuring Tommy Hilfiger. And I think she's probably my favorite collaboration with Tommy as far as like celebrities go. I'm loving this hat, guys. This was a amazing purchase, and I'm super excited to be adding this to my collection. I do actually have something ordered from the Zendaya collection that was a few years ago, and I'm just waiting for that to come in the mail. Of course, I'll be doing a dedicated video for that as well, but we're gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this little like hangout sesh story time moment, Tommy Hilfiger related. And hopefully this is the last of this nature, because alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. If you love Tommy Hilfiger, this is definitely a channel for you to follow. I have a playlist on here that is over 2 hours worth of content for you to follow. Binge it, might as well. And I also have the House of Hilfiger Instagram account, again, my dedicated page for all Tommy Hilfiger content. I share new pieces that I pick up, products that are coming out, some runway looks, some things that I want, and also I feature some of you guys on there as well, so do not forget to tag the account, as well as hashtag House of Hilfiger as well. Also, my personal Instagram is right here at 𝗏𝗏𝗏 if you want to follow me on there as well. But until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.